we will be demonstrating the automation of CloudFulcrum CRM using Copado Robotic Testing. So what actually CRM does is, CRM stands for CloudFulcrum CRM, and the sales team can efficiently follow up on leads, track the customer details, interactions, and convert the leads into valuable business accounts. So a management team, sales team, or any other team, management team can easily track the active and inactive ongoing projects and their resource allocation as well. So on the screen, we'll start creating a lead and then converting that lead to account, contact, and opportunity. On the opportunity, we'll attach one contract to it. Let me open the opportunity. Here, there are so many fields on opportunity. Then we'll attach one contract which is signed, and then we'll move this opportunity to closed won stage. So once we have moved the closed won stage and saved the opportunity, a project gets auto created. So all the project information of the current business deal will be on your project. Employees and the resource allocation, all the details will be inside your project. It has a start date, end date, all the details in your project will be tracked over here. So let us switch to our Copado Robotic Testing. So this is a lightweight tool which is easily available, and it runs on the cloud itself. You don't have to take a pain of installing the tool. So this is not only for Salesforce, any cloud-based application. And if you have any other Selenium test cases or any other test cases, this will allow you to run those test cases by importing the Selenium library. So it supports the coding as well. Generally, CRT is like general in English sentences like this on the screen. So anyone who doesn't have any coding knowledge, they can also automate the test case within 1 or 2 days, because when you write the test case, it will give auto suggestions what needs to be done and what has to be picked up from the given libraries. So this is a keyword called click text on the lead, and then everything is like English sentence, what exactly happening on the screen. When I click on live testing on this, it will open a browser over here on the extreme right side pane. So here is your automation script which runs side by side. So whenever you are feeling like what test case has been failed, which line has been failed, so you can easily trace back that information. And coming to your common functionality, if you have to write a common functionality like in your resource folder, you have common.robo. Here there is a list of reusable code which we have kept it here, and we are importing to every test case wherever it is required. So this is to log into the Salesforce, and once you log in, you need to click on this home tab. Home tab is the first tab which appears on any screen, right? So we are launching on the home tab. Let's try to run this particular code. Three different ways we can run any test case. This is the line from the current line, and this is only the one single step, and this is the current selection. So I'm choosing the current selection because I just wanted to show you how it is executing on the script and how it is performing same action on the application. So just click on this. If you launch a browser, stop and restart the live testing. It seems like it will not turn on correctly. So now your browser has been opened here. I have given in the suite settings like it has to launch a Chrome browser. That's the reason it landed up in the Chrome browser. So I just selected one line called home, app state home. It will log into the Salesforce. And then it will click on home tab and it will verify if it is there on home tab or not. So the blue color highlighted one shows you it has clicked on home tab. It is very easy to understand code. So let me do this entire create lead and check whether it is creating a lead or not. It is filling all the details on your lead. All the mandatory values. Our lead creation has been successful. We are validating few things on the lead, whether lead creation has been successful or not. So all the verify statements will make sure that the text which you have entered after saving the record, is it saving with the same name or not, or the same value exists on the application or not. We are doing validation using a verify text. Now we will be converting the lead to account, contact, and opportunity. Lead conversion has been done successfully. Then account and will create verify account, contact, and opportunity has been created or not. On the opportunity, validating the opportunity. Next, create contract. We'll create contract separately and then attach the given contract to the opportunity. It identifies all the elements on the Salesforce page. It is not only so just now it has executed this. So execution log is on the down. If I minimize this, on the right pane and below, fast, click text, sleep. On the right side, if you see, there are some logs which are given. See, this is the highlighter file on the bottom. So it says everything is passed. So if I'm giving X path over here to identify one of the elements, since I have imported Selenium library in my test case, that's the reason it is enabled to identify web elements using XPath. Now I'm clicking on opportunities. I'm attaching the contract to the opportunity. Now I'm moving my opportunity to closed one state. After that, I'm checking whether the project has been created or not. Project is auto created when you move the sales stage from first stage to closed one stage on the opportunity. So it says pass verify text, and then on the employee object, We are checking whether the employee exists or not. New employee creation. And this employee has to be allocated to the project. We have a project resource, one more thing, and we are attaching project and project resource and employee to the opportunity. If there is any failure, it will be easy for us to debug it because the log exists on the down. If you select the chunk of the piece of your code and run it using the third option, it will run on the below, it will run and show you the test case failure here itself. So it will be easy to trace back rather than reading entire logs and understand what are the failures. This is an easy method for us to go through failures then and there itself. Thank you for watching.